All right, as we're winding up the unit, this is lesson 8, exponential decay. This is very similar to stuff we've done before. The only slight difference is we're going to repeatedly multiply by a fraction now. And some different things happen, but it's the same general concepts. But again, we're multiplying by a fraction, so things are actually get smaller, not bigger, which is why they call this exponential decay. You've probably seen this in a math class or two. But you've also probably seen it in your science classes. So I'm going to do a non-science example, maybe physics if you want to call it some science. But so golf balls are being tested to see if they bounce at 2/3 of their original height. So the first thing we want to do is, well, it starts at 27. If it's going to bounce back at 2/3 of the original height, 27 times 2/3 is going to be 18. And then we again take that 18, multiply it by 2/3. And it's going to be 12. And notice how this is kind of getting chopped down and getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Then this is going to be times 2/3. It's going to go down to 8. And then times 2/3 again, 5.33 repeating. We'll just go 5.3. And again, notice I'm just repeatedly multiplying by 2/3. And I'm not going to fill in the rest of these because you'll notice a pattern here. So what happens is this. It's going to start up here, if I were to graph this, right around 27, which is right about there. And then it's going to go to 18, then 12, then 8. So about 18 here, then about 12, then about 8. And what will start happening, there's your 5.3, is it will start to decay. And it should look something like this when we have our exponential decay. Again, the only reason this is a decay is we're repeatedly multiplying, but rather than doing repeatedly multiplying by 2 or 3 or 4, we're doing 2/3. So we're repeatedly multiplying by something smaller. So the next now rule is still going to be next equals now, but this time we're doing times 2/3. And again, because that's a fraction less than 1, it's going to be a decay. A function rule, well, again, where does it start? 27. What are we repeatedly multiplying by? 2/3 to the power of x. Now, it says here, use your calculator to check the answers. What's nice about this is if we go to our y equals screen, 27 times, let's put it in fraction form. So 2/3 to the power of x. Now, let's just be careful about this. Let's make sure we put the parentheses around the right part. Hit enter. 27 times 2/3 the x. If you look at our table here, 27, 18. Now that's going to give it to us in fraction form, but that's okay. Those are the same decimals. So that's how we could check our answers. 27, 18, 12, 8. So if it was to drop from only 15 feet, it would be this. The only thing that would really change is that starting point. So hopefully this gives you a better idea of what to do with exponential decay. Good luck.